Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried rice Manchurian at home. We'll start by gathering our ingredients and preparing the vegetables for both the rice and the Manchurian balls. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked rice, preferably day-old, and a selection of fresh vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, and cabbage. This initial preparation is key for a smooth cooking process, ensuring everything is ready when you need it. Now, let's get that fried rice perfect. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok over high heat until it's shimmering. Quickly stir-fry your chopped garlic, ginger, and green chilies for about 30 seconds to release their aroma. Then, add your prepared vegetables and cook them for 2 to 3 minutes until they are slightly tender crisp. Finally, toss in the day-old rice with soy sauce and a pinch of black pepper. Next, we'll create the star of the dish, the Manchurian balls. In a bowl, combine finely grated cabbage, carrots, all-purpose flour, and a blend of spices. Mix well and form the mixture into small, uniform balls, roughly 1 inch in diameter. Carefully deep-fry these balls in hot oil until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Once done, drain any excess oil and set them aside. Finally, let's bring it all together with the delicious Manchurian sauce. Sauté some ginger, garlic, and green chilies in a pan. Add soy sauce, a dash of vinegar, and a cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce to your desired consistency. Gently combine the prepared fried rice, the crispy Manchurian balls, and the flavorful sauce. Garnish with fresh spring onions and serve this incredible dish immediately for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.